In this video I'm going to show you the new Polaris FREEDOM, and this is a premium cordless robotic pool cleaner. And included in the box is a quick start guide. You have the owner's manual, and you have the warranty card. There's also this retrieval tool or hook included, and this can be used to remove the FREEDOM from the pool. And besides using this tool to retrieve the FREEDOM will also come to the side of the pool in the last 10 minutes and come up to the side so you can pull it out. And I'll show you that in the video later on. And it features an easy to access top loading debris canister. On the front are these scrubbing brushes, and this cleaner is designed to clean the floors, walls, and waterline of your pool. You can see that the FREEDOM has a very large debris opening on the bottom. This is great for a pool with dirt as well as larger leaf debris. They have this included charging station. One thing that I like about Polaris is that they're really patient when they design any cleaner. And in the case of the FREEDOM, they've eliminated a fail point of most of the cordless robotic pool cleaners, and that is an area where the cleaner plugs in. So here's the charging station, and let me go ahead and assemble it. And it couldn't be easier. You just line these two blue dots up, and once you have that lined up, you would simply just press down here in the back firmly. And the same thing with the other side. And Polaris thinks of everything, so you don't lose your retrieval hook. There's also a clip that you can put on the charging station so that you can put your hook here and not misplace it. So that's the charging station fully assembled, and this is where the FREEDOM will get its charge. And again, there's no need to plug the FREEDOM in. You would just set it on the charging station and it'll charge through these metal pads here on the bottom. So to charge the FREEDOM, you just want to plug the charging station into a GFI outlet. Now you want to make sure that the FREEDOM is dry, and then you're going to go ahead and place it on the charging station. And you can see that Polaris has thought of everything. You can see they put a mirror here at the bottom of the charging station, so you can see the battery indicator and see what level the battery is at. On the back are the controls for the cleaner, and you can also control the cleaner through the iAqualink app. So to turn the cleaner on and off, you simply move this to the right. You can see here this is a battery indicator, and it's showing that it's fully charged. And this cleaner is designed to operate for up to 2.5 hours. And this is the mode button, and this cleaner can be set to clean the floors, walls, and waterline, the floors only. And through the app, you can also control it to clean just the waterline by itself. There's also a smart clean mode available in the app, and this is where the cleaner maps the pool, and it'll decide the maximum amount of time it needs to clean your pool. And you can change the mode by moving this to the left. And this is a connection indicator. If it's solid blue, that means that it's connected to the iAqualink app. And the cleaner has a sensor, so it won't start or activate unless it's in the water. And to start the cleaner, slide the switch to the right. And when the light is flashing blue, that means that it's ready to be put into the water. And once the 2.5-hour cycle is finished, the cleaner will spend the next 10 minutes coming up to the water line of the pool. It'll wait there for 30 seconds for you to retrieve it. It'll drop back down, and then it'll come back up another wall. And if you're able to retrieve it in that 10-minute time, all the water will evacuate out of the back of the cleaner when you pull it out of the pool. If you're not able to retrieve the cleaner during that 10-minute period where it's coming to the water line, you can use the included hook and a standard pool pole to retrieve it. Let me show you the debris that the Freedom picked up here at this pool. So you can see after a 2.5-hour runtime, did a great job with both leaf debris as well as dirt. So that's a look at the Polaris Freedom Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you're looking for a cordless robotic pool cleaner, this one is definitely one to look at. It has a lot of great features. It also has a lot of great built-in fail-safes, like this convenient charging base. And I really like the fact that you can control it through the iAqualink app through your Wi-Fi. And there's no need for you to actually push any buttons on this. Everything can be done through your cell phone or device. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.